Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, you'll need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, tweezers, and an anti-static wrist strap. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. First, power off your ASUS UM425Q and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, remove the screws securing the back cover. There are typically 10 Phillips screws. Keep them organized as you'll need them for reassembly. Once the screws are out, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back cover. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious to avoid damaging the clips that hold the cover in place. If you feel resistance, double-check for any screws you might have missed. After removing the back cover, you'll see the internal components of the laptop. Here, locate the battery and disconnect it. This step is crucial before proceeding to the screen replacement. If you feel unsure at any point, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, find the screws that secure the screen. There are typically 4 to 6 screws around the screen's bezel. Remove these screws and keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pry the screen away from the hinges. Be careful, as the display cables are still connected. Next, carefully disconnect the display cables. There's usually a connector that you can lift gently. If you find it challenging, tweezers can help you grip the small connectors without damaging them. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can avoid any hassle. Now it's time to prepare your new screen. Before installation, ensure that the new screen is clean and free from dust. You can use a microfiber cloth for this purpose. Place the new screen into position and reconnect the display cables. Make sure they are securely attached. A loose connection can cause display issues. Once the new screen is in place, reinsert the screws that secure it. Tighten them gently to avoid stripping the screws. After securing the screen, reconnect the battery. It's essential to ensure everything is properly connected before you put the back cover on. Now, align the back cover and press it down gently. Make sure the clips snap into place. Finally, reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the back cover. After everything is reassembled, power on your ASUS UM425Q to test the new screen. Ensure that there are no dead pixels and that the display is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide quotes before repair, ensuring transparency in our services. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen on your ASUS UM425Q. If this process was too complex or if you prefer not to handle repairs yourself, don't hesitate to contact us for expert assistance. We're here to help you every step of the way. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.